So this is inside, there's Carlos. So that's the wall we've done here. Painted all over the damp and stuff in the ceilings again. Above here. This wall, it's all been done. This is in the bedroom, the downstairs bedroom. We've done all this wall, scraped it off and put the product.
Una mano, falta una.
Okay. And now we're just going to go upstairs. So I'd have to bring some more paint today, so he's still working here to finish all this off, and he's going to have to put a bit more there, a bit more across there. This is where you've got your leak problem, so it's coming through your tiles here, or your drain here. This is where it's leaking downstairs, so that's a problem there. Carlos, there's in the bathroom, so he's got to just fix this bit here.
Okay. Right.
Okay. So that'll all be done and finished today. So, like I say, the roof, we had brought another 5 gallons to put on top of the roof. Where you have the problems with leaks are in these drains here, and then where you have the guttering, it's bright white here. So you've got this tube running here. It's sealed enough round. We've sealed it all round in this one. As you can see, we've put all mastic round there, painted it, but I think it still could be a little problem. Okay, so all painted, all done, all finished.